This is Sam, South Carolina, Happy Bees again. We are, where are we at? We're over here on number 242 East Fence. Nuke here we started, okay, this nuke here we started on 321 from Hive 240 East Fence. Make queen cells. Last time we looked at it was on the 27th, and it had a capped and uncapped queen cells on 2 frames. You know, if y'all want to check up on these bees and everything, y'all can go to the playlist and follow them from the time they were started up until now. These girls here are saying they need some food. Come on, girls. You got a little pollen left, and they're eating it. Okay, now, let's see what we got. Come on, girls, I'll give you some more. See, you give them little pieces of pollen like that instead of with all that paper. I mean, if you put them in a plastic bag with slits in it, beetles still gonna get in if it's too much. This one here has drones. It has some brood. It has pollen. It has nectar. They're doing okay. Bottom looks good. We'll be cutting queen cells out next week, making new splits that way. Still hadn't gone to see Bob. I need to go talk to Bob. And see if he's making any grafts yet. Now this one here, according to this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 queen cells. Okay. On this one here, we've got one that has been removed. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Five, 6. Okay, we got 6 queen cells on this one already, and I didn't even think about that. I didn't write it down. Maybe we got more than that. We got one little one here. I know that's a little one, but it's big enough for a queen cell. We got one here, one here, one here. Another little one here. Now these two here will have to be together, and this is another foundation that they built so I can cut them out. So, then over on this side, we got 1, 2, which will have to be on one. This one here is 1. Now we'll have to leave this one because it goes along with these other 2. These 2 right here, we'll show you when we get to them, okay? But looking good. And I like for my bees to make their own queens. It's not as quick. It's more trouble for me, but I think they're better. But I'm prejudiced about my bees. I know my bees are better. Okay, this one here has 1, 2, 3. Well, we're going to get rid of one of them because it's not capped and all the rest of them are. This one here's got, now I could take this one, which I might, right here. Got 2 queen cells. This one here is the one that I just cut out because it wasn't capped. Now I could take this frame right here and put it in a little box. This is a foundation that they cleaned up real nicely. Okay, now back to what we were doing. The 29th. Tomorrow is the 30th. There we go. We're going to feed them. We might come back tomorrow and take these out. But this is at least, it's a lot of work, but somebody buys a nuke from me, I like for them to get something that I would feel comfortable buying. There you go, girl. Raising bees isn't that easy to start with. You have a lot of learning to do, just like any job that you start doing. Put all this down in there. Put this way. We're gonna put this here. Let's see, I did this on the 21st. Maybe 7. Okay, I'm supposed to check it tomorrow. Okay, we're doing good. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I did. Just check the playlists on 220 or 242 and you'll be able to find it. Bye-bye.